Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to download Arduino IDE in your Windows laptop. So open up any browser and go to google.com. Here you need to type Arduino IDE download for Windows. Click on the first link, software Arduino IDE. So you will see this official download page of Arduino IDE. Since we are downloading for Windows laptop, I will click on one of this option. Okay, so I will go with the first one, Windows 10 and newer 64-bit. Click on this. If you want to donate any amount to Arduino, you can donate here or you can just download. Okay, if you want to stay updated with their newsletter, you can fill in your email ID. But I don't will want to. I will just download. Click on download. So once you click on download, you will be asked to save your file. So choose any location and click on save. So it will start downloading. So depending upon your speed of internet, it might take some time because it is a big file. Okay, and once it is downloaded, go to your download folder. So once the file is downloaded, you will see a setup file like this, Arduino IDE Windows 64 exe. Just double click it, click on I agree, select the destination folder. I will keep it C drive. Click on next. It will start installing the Arduino IDE for you. Just wait for some second. Okay, so the setup is completed. I will just click on finish. So it will launch the Arduino IDE. So this is the Arduino IDE, and in the next video we will explore more of. So this is the Arduino IDE, and in the next video we will explore more about this IDE, how we need to write the code, how we need to program the board. So all this will be discussed in the next video. Thank you for watching.